Greetings, it's Matt Feast. Hope you're well today. I'm going to quickly go over a company I've been involved with for over a year now. A company called iCoinPro. Very good company, and it's a good training platform if you're interested in learning how to trade cryptocurrency safely. Okay. Briefly about this company, we do have a cryptocurrency portal, because how we're taught is you buy at the dip of a trade. Okay, let me quickly go through it with you. Right, this is the actual iCoinPro portal. Okay, what this is designed to do is it scours the trades, on the exchanges, on the crypto exchanges, finding the best cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, coins to trade on. For example, if you're looking for a good entry point, it's going to take you a long time to find a good trade. Yeah, it's going to probably take you over an hour, probably longer. Tell me, I've been there, done that, bought the t-shirt, and this portal just saves so much hassle, so quick, and it's very accurate. And the beauty about this company is we have it's called a trade finder. Alright, this is a iCoinPro portal, and we have a trade finder. It finds the trades, okay? And what happens is it's looking for trades, scouring the internet, scouring the exchanges, and it updates every 10-15 minutes, okay? And it gives you, for example, trading coins, for example, our RAD, USDT, paired up, Saga, etc. You've got it. Anyway, when actually it teaches you how to trade correctly, all right, safely. But I must admit, guys, cryptocurrency is a high risk business, but it teaches you how not to get wrecked, and that's what you want. If you're learning a skill set, this is what it is, guys. It's a skill set. You're learning a skill set. If you're a new person online, you want to start learning how to trade cryptocurrency, this is absolutely gold. All right, because we get a lot of traders who guess trade and they lose their funds. Yeah, but with this, it's teaching you how to trade safely. Right, let me go over. For example, I'm going to look for RAD USDT. Okay, this is example. Right, it's actually, the volume is 1.9%. Okay, that's the volume. Okay, and I like the 2 percentage rule. Okay, I like to trade coins just slightly above 2%. Okay, there's a lovely one here. It's Saga. Okay. That's 4.37%. That's the volume. Okay. And now let's look into this. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go to chart. Okay, and it dipped 13 seconds ago. So let me scroll in there. Let's have a look. Let me open this up a bit more. In fact, if we go to here, I can see it clearly now. Oh, here we go. Right. See, all this here is built in. It's it's a trading view chart, okay. But what iCoinPro do is they import it in from there, from trading view. Brilliant, so it's very useful. I used to have an account with the company. Brilliant company, love them. But it saves me. It saves me the fee each month, but with iCoinPro, you get an all in, guys. You don't, for the price you're going to pay is nothing. It's very reasonable. It's roughly about $10 a month for this portal. But please note, you have to become a member of iCoinPro, and that's a little bit more money each month. Okay, but obviously watch the videos to explain how much it is. Very good, and I'll tell you what, guys, it's well worth the money. Anyway, let's get on. So this coin is Saga. So it's dipping. Okay, guys, it's dipping. This is a Bollinger Band. So what we do have a free boot camp. It teaches you how to do this. Okay, but this is the Bollinger Band, and so it's dipping on the first dip. Okay, we like to put a trade in on the third dip. So I don't really want to wait all day for this cryptocurrency to go up and down, up and down, up and down. You know, I have a life. So how I do this, I put a alert on. So for example, I reckon it's going to dip about, say, here. In fact, I'm going to put alert here, because if it goes up and down, and when it comes down again, I'll be able to put a trade in. But I'll put a trade on a third dip. I'll make a note of this. Okay, that's all that. Third dip. Third. In fact, that's a second dip. No, second dip. I like to be informed. Second dip. I won't put a trade in though. I like to know. I like to be informed on my telephone or mobile phone. So it just alert me. Okay, and then when I'm out, out and about, it'll alert me when it gets to here. Okay, and then I'll read it again. I'll put no alert in saying third dip, and then I'll let it go right down and I put a trade in. Okay, and that's how we do it, guys. It's just very, very basic. We do have a videos and tutorials. Let me quickly show you. When you sign up for free, you will get a free boot camp. It's this one here, free trading boot camp. You have to watch the tutorials. It explains the dipping sequence. Okay, we call it 1, 2, 3 money. Boom. And once you see the formation of this, the strategy, you will never ever forget it. You'll see it, you know, even in your sleep, or when you're looking at charts. Oh, hang on a minute, I know that. It's 1, 2, 3 dip money. You know, it teaches the best way. But it's not just the dip trading. We do have different other techniques as well in the advanced side. But it's well worth it, guys. And also with this, you know, we have like here we go. You have click on here. We have blowout tracker, dump tracker, spread tracker, and also if I go to my alarm here, all my alerts. These are alerts I've had, okay, in the past. All right, and obviously I need to delete those. Boom. Okay, and every day I come in and I look at the charts. And I probably pick about 5 or 6 coins, okay, and then I can just get on with something else, and then it will alert me, yeah, and then I'm fully in control. Then I actually trade, and I actually trade in Binance. So I'll be buying the coins from Binance. You know, that's my favourite exchange. You know, there is Coinbase or whatever, you know, but you really want to, if you want to make money with this company, it's ideal to learn the skill of trading. And the beauty about it, guys, you're in control of your own funds, not the company, because the reason why it's a trading platform, but it's a training platform, and it teaches you the best way to trade safely without guess trading. Yeah, I see so many people trading, and all they're doing is guess trading, and you know, the market is just volatile as anything. It's just going to wreck you, and you'll lose all your money. You don't want that. You want a little bit of, you know, skill to learn how to trade properly. And it's not just that. We do have. You want to be involved in the community. We have a very, very good community. We have our own forum. Okay, we talk about the coins, what's happening with the markets. Different techniques, and it's well worth it, guys, you know. So there's 2 packages, but you want to click onto the free bootcamp links below the video. Just have a look at it, see what you think, you know. Watch the free bootcamp, don't cost you any money, and if you're happy to become a member, you have to pay. Obviously, it's either pay per month, or you can have a whole year subscription, up to you. There's 2 options there. There is an option. You can either have the portal, which I'm showing you now, or you don't have to have it. But believe you me, if you're a new person or a beginner, it's well worth it. And at the end of the day, it's gold. And you know, as I said earlier on, previously, you don't want to start looking at all these charts, you know, and trying to find the best way to get a good trade or best entry. And you know, Christ, you'll be there hours and hours and hours trying to kind of get a trade in there, you know. But with this portal, it's a bolt-on, you know, it's optional. But I went the full way. I went the full package because obviously I thought, you know what, you know, I think this is gold. I've been trading before as well with other platforms, but this is a good technique and it's safe, you know. And that's what I want, guys. You won't get wrecked like you used to, and stop guess trading. You know, learn a skill, learn the art skill of how to trade cryptocurrency, and this is the way. And we give you a chance. You'll get a free boot camp just to have a look and see if you're happy, see if you like it. And believe you me, you will grab this with both hands. Anyway, guys, I must go. I must go out and about and do my thing. And now I've got some trades on. I've got some few bits and pieces on my phone, my mobile, and it'll alert me what's happening. And I'll put a trade in later on today. So, oh, look at this chart here. Look at this one here. Boom, it's just popping up there. But I'll wait. I'll wait until it pops up to about here, then come down. So that'll be a second dip, and then when it goes to the third dip, boom, I'll put a trade in. Sometimes I will put a trade on the second dip, but you have to watch the video, and the video will explain why. Okay, why you do that. But trust me, when you're a new person, stick to the proper way, the third dip. Okay. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thanks very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Catch you later, dudes. Have a great day. Happy days. Bye.